Manners, I hated the manners. There's nothing worse than South American vacations. My life ain't worth a cent since my wife went to cement her South American relations. It's not that I can't afford her, but she's acting out of order, doing things she hadn't ordered since Chana went south of the border. Oh, sie läuft da rum und sie schreit, und bei mir sie hat mit kein Zeit. She's a regular common banana since my Chana came back from Havana. That hacienda Talabenda, wenn ich frag ihr etwas, sagt sie, und was meint sie etwas, sie. And she calls a band-aid a bandana since Chana came back from Havana. Ich will a bissel yo te amo, that's meaning love, but she calls me an ox. Each time I want some yo te amo, that's also love, it's costing me a silver fox. And then in locks, I say kiss me dear or I'll die. She says ay, I'll live by. Every time that I want, she don't wanna. Since Chana came back, I haven't eaten a snack. When I'm looking what she's cooking, I say fuck up mir a schreck. I don't eat her kreplach because kreplach I don't like the chili sauce. Now she's even got her little nephew Maurice calling for kosher enchiladas every day about past 3:30. Ze rompeteppers mit a trombador. A trombadora is a Spanish caballero. I remember when his name was Sam Shapiro. What should I do? I'm asking you. Now she calls my Bobolika Boboloo. Since he became an Espanola, my little Cushinica likes to have a drink. A little rum and Coca-Cola. I say you're standing near the sink, so take a drink. But my Chana, she don't wanna, she says water's for Havana. Since she learned to say adios, sie treibt mir a Reus von mein Haus. And she runs around with Max and Mexicana. Since my Chana came back from Havana, oy vey, South Falls, boy, please take her away, 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 Shmoley.